Hey guys, Jessi Malay here, and it is Friday night. I don't know about you, but I'm going out. It has been a long week between work trips, shooting tons of new content before we leave for more work trips, the baby. So I personally can't wait to just get out for the night, blow off a little steam, and enjoy some time with G. The baby is sleeping, my mom is over watching her. So I thought, why not take the opportunity to shoot this look, show you all of the fun new makeup I've been playing around with lately, and just try something new. I've really never done a tutorial about metallic eyes, so that's what I'm gonna make this one all about. I really want the focus to be on the eyes. I want G to be looking at my eyes all night long. And so I'm gonna do kind of this smoky, metallic-y eye look. So without further ado, so we can all get out for the night, let's get started. Okay, so since I really want the focus for tonight to be on my eyes, I'm gonna start out with Nudestix. This is chocolate. I'm really loving these magnetic matte eye colors. I'm gonna use this for the base to just kind of create a soft, smoky effect. I'm gonna start by applying this all over my lid and then just blending out from there. What I love about using cream eyeshadows is that I think they create a lot more modern kind of look, and you don't get any harsh crease lines. What I love about these two is they're just kind of foolproof, and you can always build the color. Okay, so now I've created a nice smoky soft base, and now we can move on to the fun stuff. So I'm gonna use the Smashbox Cover Shot Petal Metal Eye Palette. What a name. And I'm gonna go in with this really pretty kind of bronzy rose gold shade here. And I'm gonna pop that right in the outer crease, just for a little added color. And then blend, blend, blend away. I love how that just gives it such a kind of like wet metallic look. So pretty. Now I'm gonna add a little glitter. Why not? I'm gonna use another one of the Smashbox palettes, and I'm gonna go in with this really bold gold glitter here. With my pinky finger, I'm gonna pop that just on the center of my lower lids. Now for liner. Since we're kind of going for this whole bold, smoky, metallic effect, I'm gonna use a metallic liner. And L'Oreal makes the most beautiful rose gold eyeliner. It's called Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner. And it literally looks like liquid rose gold. It's so pretty. I'm gonna start by putting this just on the inner corners of my eyes, which really makes them just pop and look bright. I love the look of this. It's really subtle. It's a really subtle element, but it really is what brings the whole eye look together. Okay, moving on to mascara. So you guys, I'm sure you know by now, the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal is my favorite. This is my holy grail product. Long plane flights, long nights with the baby. This is what brings my eyes to life. Love this stuff. I'm gonna start off by curling my lashes. And then I'm gonna prep them with the Voluminous Lash Paradise primer. Okay, once that's pretty much dry, I'm gonna go in with my Lash Paradise mascara, and I actually love the waterproof formula. I think it really just gives your lashes even more lift, and you can literally swim in this stuff. I love how bold and big this mascara makes my lashes look. Okay, now we're gonna pop just a little bit of color on our cheeks. I'm gonna first go in with my Tom Ford bronzer to just create a little more definition in the hollows of my cheeks first. I also use a little bit of this to kind of define my nose, chin, and then I go around the top of my forehead here. And now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin palette. I just love these two shades of blush. One is a little bit more pink, one is a little bit more peach, but together they're just like the perfect shade. They go with pretty much any look, and you don't need much. A little goes a long way, so I just pop color on the apples of my cheeks, a little bit here. Okay, so since we want to kind of keep the focus more on the eyes, I'm going to go in with a really, really nice neutral nude lip. I've been getting tons of questions on Instagram, in my DMs, in my comments about what lipstick I've been wearing on a regular basis lately, and it's this one. It's L'Oreal's new Color Riche Matte lipstick. This one is called All Out Pout. It is literally just the most stunning mauve-y nude lip. I absolutely love it. It makes my lips look really full. I don't normally like wearing matte lipsticks because I feel like they just make my lips look really chalky and dry, but for whatever reason, this one, the formula is just amazing, and I can literally wear it all day and it just continues to look velvety. I actually love this entire range. I have the entire range on my vanity right now. Let's start off with a quick liner. I'm using a lip liner by Flower, and it's called Toffee, and it's a color that I use with almost every lipstick because it's really neutral. And you know I love a full lip, so I kind of line just a bit outside the lines. Okay, now back to my favorite lipstick of the moment, All Out Pout. So as much as I love this matte shade, I also really, really love a glossy lip, and they were not in style for years, but I'm really happy they came back in this season. I'm gonna go over this lip with Laura Mercier's Lip Glace in Cosmic. It's just a really pretty, clear gloss that has a little bit of sparkle. I think it's just perfect for a night out. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I love it, and now I gotta go, and you gotta go so you can enjoy your weekend. I'll of course include all of the products in the description box below. As always, ask me any questions you may have in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. Enjoy your weekend.